Hello everyone. How is everyone doing? This is December 24th. It's wash night day. I don't know, I'm not even hearing any what was it called, Vanguard. I'm not hearing anything. Nobody is throwing Vanguard. What happened now? Is the thing too expensive, or they didn't just produce this year? I don't know. Guys, you can see this is the air I'm going to be using for XMAS. I had like 3 to 4 appointments. Like, I made extra appointments, but I missed all of them. I was so busy. I keep missing them. If I were to pay money to make those appointments, I would have lost a ton load of money. But then, this is me. I even had to go and beg for them to have it retouched tonight, and they couldn't even roll it for me for it to look at least okay. No chance. Everywhere was just full. So this is me. This is how I'm doing my XMAS. So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you've already have everything you'll be needing. I hope the food is already coming out. Yeah, I'm just relaxing. Temi, I went to drop her off at Grandma's place today. Yeah, she and her cousins, all of them are there. So that's how it's always been. They always go there for XMAS. I'll join her tomorrow morning anyway. I have some early morning orders I'll be doing and delivering. So by 8 a.m. I should be done, because like delivery start by 6 a.m. So by 8 a.m. I should be done. Then I'll join her at Grandma's place. We'll go to church and just relax. Yeah. So this is me. I'm actually trying to cornrow my hair, but the problem is I had my nails done, so it's kind of difficult because I haven't really done my cornrow with my nails done before. I would have just wanted cornrow so I can wear my wig, but this is me. But I'm actually right now I'm just going to make my special stew for Christmas, because I'll be going out early, so I want to make my stew. Let me show you guys what I'm doing, okay? Yeah, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. So this is what I'm doing. I've already gone ahead. I've steamed my shobo, tatashe, tomato and pepper. I've steamed them. Like, I didn't even add water to this thing. You can see the chocolate of water. I didn't add water. I just wash, cut and put in this pot and on the gas. You can see the chocolate, and I won't be needing all this water. So I'm just going to blend it and fry my stew. So this process, actually, it's as in, you know, normally when you blend your tomato raw, you go ahead and start boiling it to dry up all the water. But with this process, you don't need to go through all of that. So once you sieve this out now and blend it, you see how smooth and creamy it will look. So that's what I'm trying to get. And here's my chicken. Yeah, this is my chicken. This is my favorite part. Okay, here's my chicken. Yeah, I just got them. I just cut them up now. I killed like 3 chickens today. It's been a long day. Some of my customer wanted fresh chicken for their order tomorrow, like strong one, like this one I'm having here now. So I had to get fresh for them, and that was what I'll be using tomorrow. But this one you are seeing here, I've actually keep their own. I've marinated it and keep, but this one you are seeing here is mine. That's what I'm using for my stew. Yeah, so I'm just going to add everything down. Like, I'm using this sieving spoon just so I don't get the water in there. So this is what I'm doing. This actually tastes really good when you make the stew. You don't need to fry for long. Like, just come out perfect. You get. Some people just go ahead and use their grill, their oven to grill it a little, but then my oven is local and I always use it outside, so it's not something I can use at this time of the night and for this. Okay, So look at how much water, like this is the water that came out. Like, I didn't even add water. I didn't add water when I was boiling this thing, but see how much water came out. Like, you don't need all that now. So let me just go ahead and blend this thing. So even if you are adding ginger and garlic, you have to add the fresh one. You have to add it and boil it together. So guys, you can actually see how smooth and good looking this is. Like, you don't need to start boiling it anymore. You just go ahead and use it like this. You see, I didn't remove the seed from the bowl. I'm still seeing them. Maybe I should run this again. I don't know. I beg. Maybe it's me that wants to eat it. So this is what the mix look like. Like, this is what you get. You don't need to go ahead and start boiling this all over. You just fry your oil and your onion and turn in it. Okay, so this seed you are seeing is actually from the shop I bought. I was too lazy. I didn't remove the seed like I used to. So this is it. This is the seed you are seeing. But apart from that, you can see how smooth and yummy this looks. Okay, so if you haven't blended your tomato yet, I think you should just go ahead and steam it up a little and get something like this. Okay, so all the water is out, and this is what you get. Yeah, so guys, that's that. I'm actually cooking the chicken at this moment. I'm waiting for it to get cooked so I can eat. I've not really had something good to eat since morning. I've been busy. Yeah, I did a lot of orders today, and I'm still waiting for, I'm preparing for tomorrow as well. Like, I'm done anyway. Everything is in the freezer, so by 4-5 a.m. I should be up getting it together. Yeah, so that's that. I'm good to go. I'm just relaxing a bit. I will, as soon as chicken is ready, I might just, actually I planned, I kept some chicken from the one I made earlier. You know those joint parts, like the wing, the neck and other parts. I wanted to make yam pepper soup, like the urobo kind, the ukodo, the one they call ukodo. But I couldn't get lemongrass. I've been like asking everybody around me, do you have lemongrass? Do you have lemongrass? I even went to a mini garden around me. A neighbor has it. I went there and they don't have. And there's no ukodo without lemongrass. Like it's not possible. So I didn't do anything about that again. But I'm actually cooking chicken now. Let it get cooked. I might just fry some yam or boil it. I'm hungry. Yeah. So guys, Merry Xmas, good night, and have a fantastic, like, enjoy yourself. Okay, have a fantastic Christmas. Yeah, see you. Bye. Yeah, I'm showing off my nails anyway. Bye.